Look up at the night sky. It feels silent, still, unchanging. But the universe is not still, it is expanding. Every second, space itself stretches. This expansion began 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. And instead of slowing down, it's speeding up. Scientists discovered something shocking, a mysterious force pushing galaxies apart. We call it dark energy. If this continues forever, galaxies beyond our local group will disappear from view, not because they die, but because they move beyond the observable universe. One day, future civilizations may look into space and see nothing but darkness, and this expansion may decide how everything ends. Every star shines because of nuclear fusion. Hydrogen fuses into helium, releasing enormous energy, but stars don't burn forever. They exhaust their fuel, they swell, collapse, and fade. In trillions of years, star formation stops. Gas clouds are depleted, no new stars are born. The universe grows colder, darker. Energy spreads evenly across space. This is entropy, the measure of disorder, and entropy always increases. In heat death, there are no temperature differences, no usable energy, no structure, no explosions, no collapse, just eternal silence. But what if expansion doesn't just continue? What if it accelerates uncontrollably? In one scenario, dark energy grows stronger over time, not constant, not stable, but increasing. First, galaxy clusters separate, then galaxies themselves are torn apart. Then solar systems collapse, gravity can no longer compete, planets shatter, matter loses cohesion, and finally, the expansion reaches the smallest scale. Molecules break, atoms split, subatomic particles pulled apart. This is the big rip, not a cold ending, not a collapse, but total disintegration. But what if expansion doesn't last forever? What if gravity takes control again? If the density of matter in the universe is high enough, gravity could overcome expansion. First, galaxies collide. Cosmic structures collapse into one another. Supermassive black holes combine, forming even larger singularities. As everything collapses inward, temperature rises, density increases. Eventually, all matter compresses into an extremely hot, dense state, the reverse of the Big Bang, a cosmic implosion. And maybe this collapse triggers another beginning. But physics doesn't end with gravity. At the smallest scales, reality behaves differently. In quantum field theory, even empty space isn't truly empty. It fluctuates. These fluctuations can create particles, and sometimes they may create entire universes. According to some inflationary models, our universe may have originated from a quantum fluctuation in a larger cosmic field. If this is true, then our universe might be one of many, a bubble in a cosmic multiverse. Each universe could have different physical laws, different constants, different outcomes, and in one of those universes, conscious beings evolved, asking how it all ends. So maybe the end of our universe is just the beginning of another. If you enjoyed this video, then like, share, and subscribe, and comment below what topic should be next.